அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். வே டு இன்ஜினியரிங் டிராயிங் சேனல் தங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்படியே பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். இன்றைக்கி நாம் பார்க்க போகிற வீடியோ கண்டென்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, டச்சிங் டூ ஆர்க்ஸ். ஓகே, டச்சிங் டூ ஆர்க்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்டர்னலி அண்ட் டச்சிங் டூ ஆர்க்ஸ் externally. Okay, how to read the questions? Okay, first of all we read the internally touching two arcs internally question. We read, draw an arc of 75 mm radius. Okay, touching the two arcs of 15 mm and 35 mm. 15 mm and 35 mm arcs 75 mm radius konda arc touch pananum at an offset distance of 75 mm between the centers. Okay, this is question for touching two arcs internally. Okay, we write the following datas. Okay, arc radius 75 mm, touching arc radius 1 15 mm, radius 2 35 mm and offset distance is 75 mm. Okay, next we read the touching two arcs externally. Okay, this is the question for touching two arcs externally. Draw an arc of 50 mm radius touching externally with the two arcs of radius 1 30 mm, radius 2 60 mm at an offset center distance of 150 mm. Okay, we write the following datas. Okay, 50 mm arc radius, 30 mm, okay, radius 1 60 mm, radius 2, offset center distance is 150 mm. Okay, 150 mm. Okay, we write down the following datas carefully. Okay, first of all we draw the touching two arcs internally. Okay, given data, first we taken offset distance as 75 mm. Draw a vertical line 75 mm any of the point. Okay, 75 mm we draw. Okay, take this point as A. Okay, this point 2. Okay, radius 1 equal to 15 mm. Okay, this point 2. Okay, we taken 15 mm. Okay, 15 mm we draw the arc for radius 1 15 mm. Okay, at the same time put the point as this point as B. Okay, take the radius as 35 mm, sorry, 35 mm. We mark the 35 mm. Okay, take the center as B point. Okay, we draw an arc as radius to 35 mm. Okay, okay, now we subtract, okay, from arc radius 75 mm minus, okay, radius 1 15 mm, okay, gives 60 mm. Okay, take 60 mm from your compass. Okay, take 60 mm, take the center as A point. Okay, you draw the arc this side. Okay, next we take the radius 2 mm in arc radius. We subtract that point. Okay, 75 mm arc radius minus radius 2 35 mm. Okay, radius 2 70 35 40 mm. Okay, we take the 40 mm in your compass. Okay, take the center as point B. okay, intersect this arc, okay. Now we get the point here, this point as O, okay. Now we take the arc radius 75 mm in our compass, 75 mm, okay, 75 mm. Take the center as O point, okay. From this point to this point, okay. This is the touching two arc internally, okay. Okay, put the points and marking the dimensions, okay. Just I revised one more time. Here to here, offset distance 75 mm, okay. This distance is 75 mm. Put the point as this point A and this point as B, okay. Take radius 1 15 mm from point A, okay. With use of compass we draw an arc of radius 1 equal to 15 mm. At the same time, okay, radius 2 35 mm, we take the compass, okay, as a point as B, okay. From here to radius 2 35 mm we draw an arc, okay. Next we take the arc radius 75 mm, okay. Subtract the radius 1 value 15 mm means we get 60 mm, okay. Locate the point as same as A point, okay. Why we take the point A as radius 1, we take the point as A, so we take the point as 75 minus 15 equal to 60 mm as point as, okay, in A point, same manner, okay. This point 2 we draw an arc of radius, okay, 60 mm, okay. 75 minus radius 1 15 means 60 mm, we draw an arc, okay. Next we locate the center as B, your compass, okay. Marking as dimension as arc radius 75 mm minus radius 2 35 mm, we get 40 mm, okay. Locate the center as B, you draw an arc of radius 40 mm. Now intersect the 40 mm and 60 mm arcs here, we put the point as O, okay. Now we get the compass and marked as arc radius 75 means here to here we draw an arc, okay. Now we check the all radiuses. Radius 1 equal to 15 mm, okay. Next radius 2 equal to 35 mm, okay. Here to here means 40 mm, here to here mean 60 mm, and center point we got a center as O as, and we draw an arc 75 mm, okay. This is the procedure for touching two arcs internally, okay. Next we draw the touching two arcs externally, okay. How to draw means already we get the given data from our question, okay. How to draw mean first we take the offset distance as 150 mm, okay. Draw a line 150 mm vertically, okay. This called as A point, this called as B point. Now you take the radius 1 as center as A point, radius 1 is 30 mm, okay. 30 mm radius, we mark the point, okay, 30 mm, and we draw an arc 30 mm radius, okay. Next we take the radius to 60 mm. Okay, 60 mm we will mark first. Okay, 60 mm, and locate the center as point B. Draw an arc of radius 2. Radius 2 is 60 mm. Okay. Next we draw the arc of radius, take as 50 mm, and addition the radius 1 value 30 mm equal to 80 mm. Okay, now mark the 80 mm on your compass. Okay, 80 mm we take the compass. Okay, take the center as a point, draw an arc of radius 80 mm. Okay, at the same time arc radius 50 mm plus radius 2 60 mm equal to 110 mm. Okay, take the 110 mm with your compass. Okay, 110 mm. Take the center as B point, intersect the 80 mm arc. Okay. Okay, next we take the arc radius 50 mm in your compass. Okay, this point as O, take the center. Okay, draw an arc 50 mm. Okay, that's all. Once again we listen. This point to this point, offset distance 150 mm we draw. Next put the point as A and B. This is the A point with the point A. Okay, with the midpoint. Take the radius as 30 mm, draw an arc 30 mm, midpoint is A. Next radius to 60 mm. Okay, 60 mm we take the measurement with the use of compass. Take the center as B point, draw an arc of radius to 60 mm and 30 mm and 60 mm. Okay, next we adding the arc radius 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30, take the midpoint as A equal to 80 mm. Okay, we draw an arc 80 mm, take the midpoint as here. Okay, next we adding the value radius of arc 50 mm and radius to 60 mm. 50 plus 60, 110 mm. Take the center as point B, draw an arc 110 mm. Okay, the 110 and 80 mm intersect the point as O. Take the point as center O. Okay, we take the measurement as 50 mm, here to here 50 mm. We joining the touching the arcs. Okay. Okay, now we complete the touching two arcs internally and externally. This is the difference between internally touching two arcs and externally touching two arcs. Okay, thanks for watching.